My dream today, my dream. My dream is to be an astronaut. In the future, I always want to explain space. According to or say, great horse make great man. I really wonder about the universe. I think space is really amazing and beautiful. So I'd like to see with my own eyes. I want to visit the Mars and the Mars. Maybe I can even find alien on Mars. Maybe for my future, I will study hard user with me, and I will read many kinds of books. I do my best to make my dreams come true. My dreams will be realized for sure. I would love to be the first Korean man in space.